Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Going to come from Lamentations chapter 3, verse 22 and 23. And it reads, "We are still alive because the Lord's faithful love never ends. Every morning he shows it in new ways. You are so very true and loyal. My God is a God of second chances. God gives us new mercies every day. And I know many of us who are not believers, we wake up and think that it's just a new day. And we just think that it's going to come. But God is giving us a new day, and he's merciful to us, that we're able to have a new day every day.
New day.
This kind of shares God's willingness to give us another chance to get it right. You know, like when we think about when somebody else has wronged us, how we say, I'll never forgive them, or I'll forgive them, but I won't forget, or whatever we may say. But we must understand with these two verses, God is giving us new mercies every single day.
Can you believe it? I get a second chance.
Now that doesn't mean that the things that we do when we sin that we shouldn't repent to God, because we should. But this also shows that God is a God of second chance, and he's given us an opportunity to get it right the next day. Where what we do with each other's, we wouldn't be willing to give them another chance. We're not willing to hear when they've wronged us. If we were in the place of God, and of course we're not, we would just write that person off.
Problems they have are their own.
Even many times we might even write ourselves off because we know we've done something and it will be hard for us to live with. But God, seeing all of our frailties, the things that we don't get right, he still allows us to renew ourselves each and every morning. He gives us a new start. He shows his mercy and his faithfulness, his love, his concern, and his compassion towards us. This should encourage each and every one of us a new hope for our lives, that what we did yesterday, that we're getting another day to get it right. And we've all have been here for a little bit. We know that sometimes we still don't get it right, but we get a chance after another chance after another chance. And so when you think about God's mercy on our lives, we should at least try as best we can. I know we're human, I know we're not God, but we should do the best we can to have mercy on those who have done something wrong to us, because we all need a second chance. Take care. God bless. Much love.